Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by, taking your time. You are awesome and you know it. For everyone who is the first time here on the channel, welcome on board. My name is Alexei from We Love Samples. You're awesome too because you stopped by, took your time, because you want to learn something new today, hopefully. So, templates. I mentioned it in one of those videos, I said it before, but today I want to talk a little bit more about a template for specific things that will occur inside your session. Again, doesn't matter if you do music or audio or something else, there will be situations where you think like, hey, it will be really, really cool. I like what I'm doing right now. I like what I hear right now. How can I save this? Depending on your DAW, of course, this will be a little bit different, but I will show you just a basic idea and try to implement it in your DAW that you have. I work with Studio One. I believe that other DAWs do have similar things. So I created a sound that I want to improve. And what I will do is I will EQ the sound, I will compress the sound, and I will limit the sound. So I want to squeeze the sound a little bit more in order to reduce a little bit of the dynamics and to feature the frequencies that weren't there and to reduce some frequencies that I didn't like. Super, super basic. However, the topic is how I can save it for the next presets, for the next sounds that I will be working on if I think that what I did is awesome and I want to use it again. So I play the sound just once and then I will load the presets that I have already created and then I will show you how you can do it yourself. Yeah, so this is the sound. And then what we are going to do is we want to use a EQ. We open it up. Let's make a, not 50, but let's say 25 Hertz, low cut. And if we play it back, we have like some frequencies that around 200 Hertz that I would like to cut a little bit and some frequencies that I would like to feature. Yeah, so this beginning is exactly, this is what I want to feature. So let's push it a little bit. This is the EQ. Then let's squeeze it a little bit with supercharger, GT, the next generation, and check out some presets. They're pretty cool. I like to use the white drum bass. However, I like to reduce it to not squeeze it too much. Punch, attack are constructed this way that we can still, so the dynamics can still go through in order that the sound is not too squeezed. The saturation can be like this, so I'll just leave it. I like to make it a little bit more brighter, the sound, and I like to add a little bit more character. And the wet 100, let's hear it again. So first let's bypass and then hear it again. Okay, and then with the plugin. Okay, let's say we like it. And the last step would be to add a limiter, and I like to use, for this case, do I have the preset? Yes, exactly, clean. That's it, and the limiter, let's make it work. And I like to reduce, so tame the dynamics until like 3-5 dB in maximum, and then you will start to hear the limiter working. Maybe a little bit too much. Let's reduce it a little bit. A little bit more. let's say we do like it. I don't hear everything because I want to hear still my voice. This is just an example. You do what you like with the sound. And now you see we do have 3 plugins that we have in our channel. And this is kind of a channel strip for us right now. And what I like to do is I like to store this FX, and let's call it the most amazing preset 2021, and we hit OK. And now, if we want to use it, for example, on this sound here, I switch it off and I go to the presets, and we have to look, where is this most amazing preset of 2021? Boom, it's here. So everything that you see is the same that we had used before, right? All of those 3 plugins, and set the same way. And it doesn't mean that we will use it like with the same frequencies or with the same dynamic, set the dynamics, the compressor or the limiter. However, it's a beautiful way to really save your time inside the session, in order that you can use the plugins that you really like to use on specific scenarios, and use them over and over again. So create your personal channel strips. This is what I really like to use because it saves my time and I don't have to drag and drop the plugins, search for the plugins here and there. So a really, really great technique that I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment if you have still any questions, and share this video if someone is interested in audio, music, and mindset. You can buy me a coffee, go inside my private Facebook group and enjoy even more content there. I share on a weekly basis stuff, and there are like some sheets inside, worksheets, and some marketing, business things. People ask questions, and we all give feedback on music, audio, whatever you do. So this is a pretty cool group for people. And the last thing is to subscribe to the channel if you want to see me and the channel again. That would be awesome. And that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Swag on overload, boy. Swag on overload, boy. Swag on overload, boy. Swag on overload.